Recently, I earned $2,161 in affiliate commissions from one of my accounts, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Now, the name of the secret is called hops or clicks, or in other words, traffic. So it's an old story and you know that traffic equals money. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of YouTube's algorithm change and get traffic and make money. The question is it worth putting your time, money, and effort on making YouTube videos? Because most of my followers, customers hate videos. So if you don't want to stay, it's awesome. Go and watch some funny cat videos that will entertain you. But if you stay here, not only it will entertain you, but also possibly it will make you money. Now these commissions look good, but what's better for me is this column, because this column tells me how much money I'm making from each visitor or each click I'm sending to an offer. So for example, this offer made me 22 cents per click, while this offer made me $2.12 per click. And you only know this data after sending traffic to an offer. So what I'm going to do, I will ignore all other offers and send as much traffic as possible to this particular offer. Because I know if I just send 1,000 visitors or just 1,000 clicks to this offer, I will make $2,120. This is absolutely mind-blowing number for a lot of people. Now you might be hesitating. Wow, if I'm making 22 cents per click in one offer and $2.12 per click in another offer, how do I know how much money I'm going to make? Let's forget about all these numbers. This is the number I get from my years of experience. 58 cents on the average. Across multiple accounts, after promoting hundreds of offers as an affiliate, my average visitor value varies from 55 cents to 88 cents. This is an established number. So whether some offer pays me this much or this much, I don't care. I know that I'm going to make this much guaranteed. When I say guarantee, did I get your attention? If yes, then let's get some traffic.
So today I'm going to show you what that big update is. And I'm also going to show you 3 specific video formats that work best for 2025. And I'm also going to show you what smart creators are doing to make 6 figures even with a small audience.
That sounds lucrative, right?
In the past few weeks, I've been seeing very small channels, channels that are under 500 subscribers, 200 subscribers. They're all showing up in my home feed.
Which means they're all getting traffic, because YouTube is now helping the small channels grow, because they believe if they inspire new content creators, then they will go out and spread the word, and more new creators will join the platform. They will create more content, and YouTube will eventually get more traffic and earn more ad revenue.
Like this channel here who has about just 600 subscribers, and this one's got 200 subscribers. And it's not just me, everybody's seeing this as well. Everyone's starting to see videos from smaller channels getting pushed by YouTube.
Sounds good, right? But what's better is this.
There are 3 main types of content that are absolutely crushing it right now. And this will continue to perform in 2025. And when I say crushing it, I mean these videos are getting views consistently and they're actually making money. Now, the first one here is what I call journey videos. So these creators simply document their daily lives. They're showing people what they're working on without any editing or fancy animations.
Something like vlog videos we used to watch in the old days.
This is Sam Sulek. He just takes his phone to the gym, he places the camera somewhere and films his workouts.
And this guy has 3.79 million subscribers. Guys, just look at his videos. The most popular video posted 1 year ago, 4.2 million views.
But I've got to go to the grocery store later, so I think I may as well take you with me.
That's the type of videos he makes.
Now, the second type of video format is what I call building in public videos. And this is exactly what it sounds like. You share everything as you build something or learn something new. A good example of this is Daniel Dalen, who is absolutely crushing this format right now. So he films himself building his business while traveling, and he shares every single step of his journey. So there's no hiding behind fancy editing or a teleprompter. When he wins, he shows that. And when he fails at something, he shows that too.
Isn't this amazing? I'm thinking to completely stop editing my videos. If you're yet to start your online business, why don't you just start and start filming your journey just like this guy? Either you will blow up or you will at least start getting help from YouTube. And when you keep publishing your journey, you will be motivated by yourself, your videos, and your viewers.
The third format here is expert-based content. So this is about creating videos to solve problems with you as the expert. Now, this is my favorite type of content because it's been working very well on YouTube at the moment?
Well, this has always been the problem of my students, my program members, my customers, and my viewers. They come back and ask, why would people listen to me? Well, you can always do what we do. You can use AI and analyze something. For example, before making this video, I analyzed multiple videos and learned about the whole thing. I learned about the steps, learn about the goods, the bads. You can learn skills and knowledge in matter of minutes. Then take your time and make short form videos. Publish your short form videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All these platforms will send traffic to an automated AI operated sales funnel. These sales funnel will do the selling on your behalf, and when they sell, you earn $500 to $1,000 in passive affiliate commission or sales revenue. That's what we do. You can also do something else if you want. You can send your traffic to your dropshipping store, your e-commerce store. But whatever you do, traffic is easier than ever before. Guys, I hope this video was helpful, inspiring, and a little educational. If it was, please give me a like, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button. And if you think we might be able to help you, just like we help our beginner students, check the link in the description for a free training. If you have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer you. See you in the next one.